Okay, so I went ahead and replaced the fuel pump check valve. This is the old one right here. This is the part number. I bought it from Pelican Parts. You can read that. Anyways, it was cheaper there than at 928 RS. In addition, their shipping is slightly cheaper. There's 3 washers. They're all different sizes. So one's fat, one only goes over that part, and this one doesn't go any further. And there's a I forget, banjo nut that goes over here. So I believe this is faulty because what I ended up doing was when I removed this and I put the new one in, by just hand tightening the new one, fuel wasn't leaking out. Whereas on this one, even if I hand tighten it, it would still leak out. So either the washer was, no, it wasn't the washer. So there was something inside that was causing it to leak more than it should. So I'm glad I replaced it. Maybe it was that gasket. The spring is still there. There's a little spring in there. That seems to be okay, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm glad I replaced it. It's relatively inexpensive, relatively easy. Hopefully the video that I took came out okay. I'll try to edit it, and then there's a test drive afterwards. All right.